Hello, welcome to Rudra Surgical. Today we are showing oval shape endotenna. This is 5 basic instruments and this is suturing pad. This one USB connection, cone. Now you can see here this is it on TV. So we are showing how to connect in mobile Android device. First you remove this pin and add video cable pin. Another pin was going in USB connection port. Remove the cap and add the connector. This pin was T-type. Now you can see here. You can easily record from this connection and also operate. No need smart TV and any other gadget. Just only need Android connection kit. You can easily add here. Now you can see here this. You can also record this practice. If you want this, so please contact us on below board number and also description. Thank you.